All right, finally there's coal. Let's just do the porous house, see if it's porous, and put some water on there. And it's meant to be sedimentary. And voila, that is not going in. Not at all. I can get the microscope up there. There we go. It's unusual. Maybe it's in the wrong place. Let's try these sheets here. See all those little sheets, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Sedimentary should be pretty... Okay. Well, that's not working. Next one is it soft? Yeah, it breaks up into pieces very, very easily. Well, it's meant to be porous, but I didn't get it to be porous, so that's unusual. Definitely can't see any crystals or bits of rock or anything. So I'm definitely going amorphous for this, and it's definitely soft. So that immediately puts us in sedimentary. So at least we're in the right tables. All right, so going down to the tables then. Well, it's not clastic. There's no grains, and that's how we differentiate all the different sedimentary rocks by the size of their grains. And it's not crystalline, so it hasn't evaporated from some sort of lake or something. So we're left with bioclastic. And if we put HCl on there, I can tell that it's not going to fizz. And so it is black and it's soft. And I think coal's the only one for that. But how do you know it's carbon anyway? So what I did was I just burnt it to see if it catches fire. Because we heat stuff up with coal, we used to. So if it catches fire, well, it must be carbon-based because nothing else is actually going to burn. No rocks that I know of. Correct me if I'm wrong. And so it's definitely coal.